Now to see this more clearly, I'm going to zoom in using the slider zoom over in the lower right-hand corner. Go back to cell F3 and essentially retype this equal. Here's the salary, click on it, asterisk, H2. Now the way we make this reference absolute is to put dollar signs in front of the H in the 2. Now, a fast way to do this is simply press the function key F4. Now, this is not something intuitive. You wouldn't know that the dollar signs are required here. And by the way, it has nothing to do with salary. It's just a coincidence we're using a salary field. But this reference means that when we copy the formula, the reference to H2 does not change. So this calculates the amount of the increase. We'll add on to it the initial salary. And our answer here will be the same as it was before. That's correct. But as we drag this downward from the corner across all the other cells, all the ones in question here, we will see that those are all new salaries. And if we just pick any one of these at random, for example, this one, double click or look in the formula bar, we see it's referring to cell H2, and this is what we call an absolute address. And in this example, it's the only quick and efficient way to create these formulas. We create an absolute reference. Now, there are more sophisticated uses of this where you sometimes have a mix where a portion of this is absolute and a portion isn't. That's the stuff of a more advanced course, but most references and formulas tend to be relative, like the ones we see here and in many other formulas. But occasionally you do need an absolute reference. In this case, it's absolutely indispensable. Gets the job done. And now we have the added advantage here too. If you're the chief financial officer, maybe you were experimenting with some other numbers out here, we'll simply change this. Maybe it's going to be a 3.1% increase. And as soon as we press enter, of course, all those formulas will increase even more. So using an absolute reference is something critical, and almost every Excel user needs to use this at one point or another.